Introducing the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA Class. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Infuse your daily drive with a bold new confidence when you're at the wheel of this quietly muscular GLA 250 SUV. Relax in the comfort of its surprisingly spacious cabin and turn up the performance fun when the spirit moves you. Adventure awaits. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Capability blends elegantly with comfort in this capable GLA 250 SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.